Hi, Namaskara, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I am Sushma Maya. I do content on lifestyle, fitness, travel, cooking and many more things. If you are someone who likes such content, then subscribe to my channel. If you are already my subscriber, thank you so much. You guys know that I love you so much. Lately, I have been trying to have a healthy lifestyle. That is going to the gym, clocking my steps, eating healthy, having a clean lifestyle. You guys have been asking me about the healthy recipes, food habits, workout routines and all the changes that I've made in my weight loss journey. So I am coming up with the series Get Fit with Sushmaya. In this series, I will be posting cooking videos, the recipes which are not just healthy, they'll be tasty as well, my workout routines, tips and tricks for weight loss, my healthy diet and so on. Today, I'm going to show you a high protein paneer recipe, that is paneer dumpling. First time when I tried this recipe, it turned out so delicious. I had posted it in Instagram and you guys flooded my DM asking for recipes. तुम लोगों ने पूछा और मैंने वीडियो नहीं किया, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? हरगिज नहीं. So let's get started. This recipe comes together within 15 minutes. Ingredients required for this recipe is paneer. I'm using milky mist paneer, carrot, spring onions, salt, pepper, onion powder, ginger garlic powder, chili flakes, oregano and chili oil. Last important item for this recipe is this white rice paper. I have got from Soy brand. I've got this from Zepto. You can easily find any brand from Zepto or nearby supermarket. I'll show you how this looks. It's basically a rice paper, transparent one. It looks like this. It's very light. Let's quickly start the recipe. So first we need to grate the carrot as well as the paneer. So let's start. So while grating, make sure that carrots are not too smoothly grated, not too small, not too big. Make it very medium size. So I've grated the carrot. I have transferred that to a bowl. Next we will grate the paneer. I have taken 200 grams paneer. If you feel it is too much, you can just use half the paneer. Let's see how much this will be. First let me grate the half paneer. This is also same thing. Don't make it too small or big. Just make sure it is medium size. So I've used only half paneer, 200 grams of paneer. I think that is sufficient because I'm just cooking for 2 people. Next, we're going to chop the spring onions. I have cleanly washed the spring onion. Finely chop the spring onions. So I have finely chopped the spring onions. Don't use entire thing that you have chopped. Keep some for dressing as well. I am putting a little for this mixture. So we have grated all the ingredients. Next we will be adding the seasonings. First thing is salt. Add it based on your taste. And then pepper powder, a little pepper powder. Onion powder. I have ordered this onion powder, but somehow every time I use it gets hardened. I don't know why. I close the lid thoroughly, but still. And then ginger garlic powder. This also same thing, but this is not as hard as the onion powder. I just do this with the fork and then it loosens itself. We are good to go. So ginger garlic powder, chili flakes. We have not added chili, so if you are someone who likes very spicy, then you can add more chili flakes. Oregano. Last we have chili oil. Add some 2 spoons or so. I'm using a very small spoon, so I'm just adding 3 spoons. Next, we have to mix this together. So let's make small balls. Make sure the balls are not too big, otherwise it will be difficult to cover with the rice paper. Make medium sized balls. So we have made small balls. Now what we are going to do is spray some oil in a heating pan and keep these on the pan. Because we are making a healthy version of this, I'm just spraying some olive oil and then placing these balls. Make sure you place them far so that when you're putting the blankets of rice paper, it will not touch each other. So keep it in low flame and close the lid. Let it cook for some time. While this is happening, let's prepare the blankets. So let's make the blankets. It's super easy. In one rice paper, you can make 4 dumplings. You have to cut them into 4 pieces. I've taken 2 sheets because I have 8 paneer balls. Place them together and just cut them in between. One more time. That's it. Now what we have to do, we have got 8 sheets. This is very hard. So we have to make them soft in order to cover them on the paneer balls. So we have to pour some water and give it some 1 minute's time for it to become soft. You can already see they are becoming very soft now. Give it some time. So you can see it has become very soft. Now this will become the blanket for your paneer balls. Let's put them on top of them. So we are going to place these blankets like this. So we have put the blankets, rice paper blankets. Now I'm going to add some chili oil on top of this just for the flavor. Next we will add sesame seeds. At last we will add the spring onions. Let's close the lid and cook this for some time. Usually you find these dumplings in Korean restaurant. I had tried in one of the Korean restaurant. One plate costed 400 rupees. It's like you'll just have 4 dumplings in that and it's so expensive. When you're preparing it at home and that to a healthy version, you can have as many as you want. It's high protein as well. It is a good recipe when you're craving some Korean food. It is super hot. We have cooked this for some 3 to 5 minutes and it is ready to serve. So you can see it looks so yum. So the yummy paneer dumplings are ready. It's time to taste. It is very hot. I should just make sure I don't burn my mouth. It is so good. Actually, if you cook this for a little more time, rice paper would become a little crispy as well. I wanted it a bit soft in between, like not too crispy and not too soft. So it's a mixture of that and it is just yum. You must try it, guys. Try this healthy recipe at home and let me know in comment section how did it turn out. For me, it turned out really well and I hope this video was useful for you guys. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.